Hi, I'm Kelly, and today I'm showing you how to make an easy DIY card with Cricut using insert cards. If you're new to Cricut or just want a handmade card without spending hours designing, this project is for you. With the newest features in Design Space, you can make a beautiful personalized Cricut card in just a few minutes. So let's jump in. Insert cards are one of the fastest ways to make a DIY card with Cricut. Your Cricut machine cuts a design on the front of the card, and then you slide and insert behind it for some contrast and definition. You don't even need glue if you don't want to. To get started, we're just going to need a Cricut machine. I'm using the Joy Extra today, but the process is the same for all Cricut machines. Some insert cards and a Cricut pen, but this is optional just depending on how you want to embellish your card, and a card mat. You can also grab some glue if you want to tack some things down, but you don't really need that either. Let's open Design Space and select Insert Card from here, or up in this drop down. One of my favorite things with this new project update is how easy it is to find card-ready designs. You can browse insert card designs to fit specific occasions by selecting one of these, or customize from scratch with your own text. I'm going to make a birthday card today, so I'm going to choose that option and enter my card size. Design Space gives me all these cute card options, and you can use the search bar here if you have something specific in mind. Or if you're making from scratch, it's already got the insert card lines here in blue, so you can cut out or use a pen to draw shapes, images, or text. Everything is already formatted for insert cards, which means there's no extra setup or guesswork. I think the sloth card is adorable. Let's pick that one. And now I want to personalize it a bit. I'll click text and write my message. Now I can update my font and sizing and choose whether I want to cut these letters out or have my pen write them. You can see what's going to be cut out. That's shown here in orange. And one tip, if you want to cut a message, filter your fonts by stencil. That'll make sure your finished letters are all legible. I don't have a ton of space on this card, so I want to write this message instead. I'll filter my fonts by writing. Okay, that looks good. We're ready to make. Once we've clicked Make, Design Space automatically sets up your project for an insert card. We will slide our insert card into the mat. Like that. We'll secure it to the top of our mat, load it into our machine, and then let Cricut do the rest. When the cut's finished, just remove your card from the mat, take your insert piece and put it in those little cut lines. And that's it. You've just made a Cricut card in minutes. No complicated assembly, no drying time, just a clean, professional looking DIY card that they're gonna love because you made it. So now you know how to make a card with Cricut, even if you only have 5 minutes and you're a total beginner. These easy DIY cards are perfect for birthdays, thank yous, holidays, or anytime you want something handmade but fast. Once you make one, you'll see how addictive insert cards can be. If you want more quick Cricut projects and Design Space tips, check out some of our other videos or visit our blog. It's linked below. Happy making!